June, another sleepy, dusty Delta day. I was out chopping cotton and my brother was baling hay. And at dinner time we stopped and walked back to the house to eat. And Mama hollered at the back door, "You'll remember to wipe your feet." And then she said, "I got some news this morning from Choctaw Ridge. Today Billie Joe McAllister jumped off the Tallahassee Bridge." And Papa said to Mama as he passed around the black-eyed peas, "Well, Billie Joe never had a lick of sense. Pass the biscuits, please. There's 5 more acres in the lower 40 I've got to plow." And Mama said it was a shame about Billie Joe anyhow. Seems like nothing ever comes to no good up on Choctaw Ridge. And now Billie Joe McAllister's jumped off the Tallahatchie Bridge. And Brother said he recollected when he and Tom and Billie Joe done put a frog down my back at the Carroll County Picture Show. And wasn't I talking to him after church last Sunday night? I'll have another piece of apple pie. You know it don't seem right. I saw him at the sawmill yesterday on Choctaw Ridge. And now you tell me Billie Joe's jumped off the Tallahatchie Bridge. And Mama said to me, "Child, what's happened to your appetite?" "Well, I've been cooking all morning and you haven't touched a single bite. That nice young preacher, Brother Taylor, stopped by today. Said he'd be pleased to have dinner on Sunday. Oh, by the way, he said he saw a girl that looked a lot like you up on Choctaw Ridge. And she and Billie Joe was throwing something off the Tallahatchie Bridge. A year has come and gone since we heard the news about Billie Joe. And Brother married Becky Thompson. They bought a store in Tupelo. There was a virus going round. Papa caught it and he died last spring. And now Mama doesn't seem to want to do much of anything. And me, I spend a lot of time picking flowers up on Choctaw Ridge and drop them into the muddy waters off the Tallahatchie Bridge.